Hi everyone, welcome to our quick guide on social media marketing in just 3 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner, an aspiring marketer, or just curious about the topic, this video is for you. So, let's dive in. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to connect with your audience to build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. This involves publishing great content on your social media profiles, listening to and engaging your followers, analyzing your results, and running social media advertisements. Choosing the right platforms. First, you need to choose the right platforms. Here are the main ones. Facebook, ideal for reaching a broad audience with its diverse user base and powerful targeting tools. Instagram, best for visual content and engaging younger demographics through photos, videos, and stories. Twitter, perfect for real-time updates, news, and trending topics, fostering concise and impactful communication. LinkedIn, the go-to platform for B2B marketing and professional networking, connecting with professionals and decision-makers. TikTok, excellent for creative and viral content, particularly targeting younger audiences with short-form videos and trends. Remember, it's better to excel on 1 or 2 platforms than to spread yourself too thin across all of them. Creating engaging content. Next, let's talk content. Here are 3 tips for creating engaging content. 1. Know your audience. Tailor your content to their interests and preferences. 2. Consistency is key. Post regularly and at optimal times for your audience. 3. Use visuals. High-quality images, videos, and infographics grab attention more than plain text. Analyzing results. Track your performance using analytics tools. Look at metrics such as reach, engagement, clicks, and conversions. This data helps you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Paid advertising. Lastly, consider using paid advertising. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer highly targeted ad options. Start with a small budget, experiment with different ad formats, and measure your results to optimize your campaigns. And that's social media marketing in 3 minutes. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with consistency and creativity, you can build a strong online presence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more marketing tips. Thanks for watching.